at Ezell Rec Center, and I just wanted to show you some of the activities that villagers have the ability to do at some of these rec centers. So over here, these are the shuffleboard courts. These are available for anyone to use. I'm going to show you where you get all the equipment too. And then as we go down to this area, these are the bocce areas. Again, all the equipment you can go get from the equipment shack and come out and use it anytime you want. They have a little pavilion, so if you've got a gathering and you want to sit in the pavilion, you can do that here. And the other thing that's really unique about the villages, especially some of the southern villages, is they have built into the rec centers these outdoor exercise parks or fitness parks. So you can see they've got sets of equipment all the way through this little trail. So you can come over and use this equipment to do your exercises. So there's all kinds of different exercises you can do. Lifting weights, using your own body weight, whatever it might be. And they're all throughout the new villages and the rec centers. Over here you'll see there's cornhole toss and horseshoes. So there's like 3 sets of exercise equipment that you can use. So people will go out for a walk, they'll do their exercises. And then there are groups that get together. Neighborhood associations, neighborhoods get together and go through all their different, like they'll have a scheduled time. Okay, let's meet for 6 o'clock at the bocce court or whatever it might be. Over here, this is one of the tennis court sections. Tennis in this area here. And then one of the most popular sports in the villages is, of course, pickleball. And pickleball courts are everywhere in the villages. So this is the pickleball area over here. People playing pickleball right now. So you can see all the courts. That's the people playing pickleball. That's just a little tour. So I forgot to show you that in the back of these rec buildings is where you get your different supplies. So it might be that you need to get pickleball rackets or bocce balls or whatever it might be. So all you do is you come back to the back of the building here. And you'll see that it says recreation equipment inside. And you can see here, this is where all the equipment is. So there's, rackets and shuffleboard, bocce balls. Everything is in here that you can use when you're out on the courts. And there's also the shuffleboard sticks. So everything's in here, no charge.